we'll have 2 or 3 girls here and one presser, and the shearer brings the sheep out, shears the sheep and puts them down the hole. And every sheep he gets about $2.50, $3 each. And they'll shear about 300 a day.
Oh.
Hard work. Hard work. Most of the population will not, in the modern world, will say, that's too much for me. It's all hard work. It's virtually like running a half marathon every day. So this is lamb's wool, nice and white, lamb's wool. Lamb's wool is made into babies' clothes, soft. We shear our lambs twice the first year, and then we shear the adults, that one down here is the adults, and we shear that once a year. So most sheep in New Zealand are English Romney types, and that's their wool, and it's used for carpets. So the lamb's wool, is, you get about how much you get off a lamb? About that much probably off a lamb.
Oh wow.
About $2.50, $3 for a lamb. It costs $6 between here and the marketplace to get that wool there. $6 a kilo. Or a sheep. So most lambs you probably lose $2 or $3 a sheep, and you probably lose $2 a sheep with an adult sheep. That's about years and years ago. Wool was worth big money for 100 years. Yeah, about 100 years. Wool was worth big money. Had its ups and downs, but worth big money. And now synthetics. Everyone's got synthetic carpets. And they buy synthetics. And also, the years ago in the Cold War, the 1940s, 1950s, maybe the 60s, they a lot of countries had 1 million soldiers or airmen or navy people with a big woolen coat for the winter. Russia had 1 million, China had 1 million, Scandinavia had 500,000, Europe had 500,000 or 1 million. And they all bought wool to make their coats, no more, all synthetic. So the price of wool went from there down to there, pretty much. It's going down ever since. Most of our wool goes to China, sort of and the cheap labour to wash it. A lot of washing in wool to get the wool to a product so the spinning mill can spin it. So I'll shear it. I've got a lamb to shear for you. Okay, so that's lamb's wool. I'll shear a lamb. So it's lamb's first and lamb's seconds. This is probably the belly of the sheep. It's dirtier, shorter. Someone will buy it. India maybe. More washing, more processing, cheap labour. Third world country, India. Probably buy that wool. Right. So after every sheep shorn, the girls there will keep the board swept, and this is all the short seconds, lamb seconds. It's about 5 months old. We shear the lambs this time of year to keep the flies off them. There's no money in it, obviously. It's a welfare issue for the lamb. You keep all the seeds out of their wool, and the seeds end up in the skin. So you can come up closer if you want to come up closer. So you've got black feet. The black feet don't mind wet conditions. It's dry out there now, but we'll get 9 months of wet rain. And the black feet will look just like that after 9 months. If it's a merino, they've got white feet, they'll be full of disease because the white feet are soft. That's why I haven't got merinos on this place, even though you get 5 times more value for the wool, because they've all got white feet. So if everyone could have put black feet on merinos, everyone would have merinos. Nervous.
Yes, very nervous. Nervous.
Has this one been through this before?
No,
First time.
we sheared them twice the first year. After you shear them, they put on more weight, that sort of thing, happier.
Aren't they cold in your winter?
Yeah, I'll leave a wee bit on. Most lambs in New Zealand have been shorn already. I've just kept this one for you, and another one in there. But I'll keep them in a little paddock by the house here. And I've got a door underneath the shearing shed, and they can come in when it gets cold. They soon know when to come in. You might have 20 out there, and as soon as it gets cold, windy, underneath they come.
What are you doing to me?
Yeah,
Anybody feel a breeze? Hey.
you can touch the lamb if you like. Not a scratch on it, never kicked.
No, he didn't. He just laid there. Just let you.
Yeah, let me shear it. Happy sheep, isn't it?
Feels warm.
Yeah, lovely and warm. See the seeds? The seeds in the skin. Really annoying. It annoys them. Got nice soft ears. That's healthy sheep. Probably getting a bit dry now. They dehydrate in the summertime. They get